I'm going to be honest with you. I've messed this up more times than I can count. Sitting across from someone I liked, overthinking everything, saying something slightly off, and then replaying that moment for days. You know that feeling? Where the conversation ends, but your brain doesn't? You start asking, why did I say that? Did they notice that? Did I ruin it? Here's the truth I wish someone told me earlier. Getting your crush to like you is not about trying harder. It's about understanding what's already happening beneath the surface. Because attraction is not random. It's psychological. And later in this video, I'll show you one mistake almost everyone makes. That quietly kills attraction before it even starts. Most people think, if I'm attractive enough, they'll like me. Wrong. Attraction is not built on looks, money, status. It's built on emotional experience, how you make them feel. And here's the dangerous part. Most people are sending the wrong signals without realizing it. Let's go deeper into something powerful. Familiarity creates attraction, not mystery, not distance. Familiarity. Your brain is wired to trust what it recognizes. That's why songs grow on you. People feel comfortable over time. Mistake. Most people disappear. They think, if I act unavailable, they'll chase me. But what actually happens? You disappear from their mental world. What works? Show up. Consistently. Not aggressively. Not obsessively. Naturally. And here's where it gets interesting. Familiarity alone isn't enough. You also need emotional impact. There's a reason your name feels powerful. Because your brain treats it differently. What happens? When someone says your name, your brain lights up. It feels personal. It feels direct. It feels important. Use it like this. Not robotic. Not forced. Natural. Example. That's actually a good point, Sarah. You'd like this, Alex. Key rule. Use it once. Not repeatedly. Otherwise it feels unnatural. But even more powerful than words is what your body is doing. This is where conversations change. From normal to connection. What is mirroring? When you match posture, tone, energy, pace. Why it works? Because the brain thinks, this person is like me. And humans are naturally drawn to similarity. Mistake. Don't copy. Match. Subtly. Example. If they're calm, you calm down. If they're energetic, you open up. And now we get into something even more powerful. Reversing the dynamic. This one feels backwards. But it works. People like people they invest in. Not people who invest in them. Old belief. I need to impress them. New reality. Let them invest in you. Example. Ask small things. Opinion. Recommendation. Help. Why it works. Their brain thinks. Why did I help this person? Oh, I must like them. This is where most people fail. They try to be perfect. Truth. Perfection creates distance. Imperfection creates connection. The pratfall effect. When someone makes a small mistake, admits something real, they become more likable. Example. I honestly don't even know what I was trying to say there. That's real. That's human. That's attractive. Remember earlier I said, there's one thing that kills attraction instantly? Here it is. Trying too hard. When you try too hard, you overthink. You overtalk. You overexplain. And it creates pressure. And pressure kills attraction. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't make someone like you. You create the conditions where attraction can happen naturally. You don't need perfect lines, perfect timing, perfect confidence. You need awareness, calm energy, authenticity, because attraction is not built in big moments. It's built in small ones. If this helped you, comment, "I get it now." And next time you see your crush, don't overthink. Just show up.